On lots across America, 5 overlooked trucks sit with price tags under $25,000, and they have reliability records that most pickups costing $70,000 cannot touch. Some of these trucks are running strong past 400,000 miles for the cost of an annual phone bill. So why do dealers push buyers toward more expensive, less proven models? The answer is not about what is best for you. What you are about to learn could save you thousands of dollars and rewrite everything you have been told about buying a long-lasting truck. Walk into any dealership and the math works against you before you even sit down. Sales staff earn a bigger slice of the pie when they move high-priced new trucks, sometimes up to 30% more profit per unit compared to a reliable used model. The average new truck brings the dealer about $2,000 in front-end profit, but a used truck often delivers $2,300 or more, with gross margins reaching 15 to 20%. That is not counting the extra money made on financing or warranties, which stack even higher when the sticker price climbs. The system rewards moving the latest, most expensive models, not the proven workhorses hiding in the back row. Sales training leans hard on features, incentives, and monthly payments, all designed to steer buyers toward the trucks that keep the dealership's numbers up, not the ones most likely to keep you out of the repair shop. When a customer asks about a 10-year-old Tacoma or a 2014 Silverado, the conversation shifts. Suddenly, attention turns to what is missing: new technology, fresh paint, the illusion of worry-free ownership, while the real story, the one measured in hundreds of thousands of trouble-free miles, stays buried under the numbers. In the end, the profit engine is built to keep you chasing the next big thing, while the real bargains wait, quietly ignored. Depreciation works like a secret handshake for buyers who know where to look. Trucks that once sold for $40,000 or more now sit on lots for half that amount, sometimes less, simply because they are not the latest body style, or they are missing a touchscreen. The market drops these overlooked workhorses by 40% to 50% within a few years, not because they are worn out, but because they do not fit the marketing script. While everyone else chases the next big thing, these trucks quietly hit their value floor. That is when the numbers start working for you instead of against you. A used Tacoma, Ridgeline, or Silverado in the right year range can be found for under $25,000, sometimes well under that amount, while new models with less proven reliability demand double or triple the price. The average annual repair bill on these proven trucks lands between $419 and $524, less than half the segment average for newer trucks loaded with complex technology. For most buyers, that means saving thousands every year, not just at the point of purchase, but through every mile driven. The low sticker price is not a warning sign, it is a window of opportunity. The trucks everyone ignores are the ones most likely to outlast your payments, your warranty, and maybe even your next job change. A 2014 Toyota Tacoma with nearly 287,000 miles rolled into the shop, its owner braced for the worst. After a full inspection, the only repairs needed were rear brakes and a set of shocks. The total bill was $450. That is not a fluke. The second-generation Tacoma's legendary 4-liter V6 runs a timing chain instead of a belt, so there is no $1,200 replacement every 100,000 miles. The 5-speed automatic transmission built for abuse rarely fails unless neglected. Annual repair costs average just $478, almost half the segment's norm. Owners who stick to regular oil changes and basic maintenance see these trucks reach 350,000, even 400,000 miles without major work. Models from 2012 to 2015 carry improved frame protection, making them even safer bets for the long haul. The Honda Ridgeline, especially from 2009 to 2014, tells a different story but ends with the same result. Truck forums spent years mocking its unibody construction and minivan roots. Mechanics, though, know better. The Ridgeline borrows its 3.5-liter V6 and most major components from the Honda Pilot and Odyssey. That means parts are cheap and easy to find, with annual repair costs sitting at just $419, the lowest in its class. The odds of a severe repair are only 7%, less than half the average for trucks. Owners report 200,000 miles as a starting point, not a finish line. These are the trucks that shrug off the stigma and keep running, quietly outlasting flashier, more expensive rivals. A 2016 Nissan Frontier rolled up with 223,000 miles on the odometer. The owner expected a long list of problems, but the inspection turned up only worn front brake pads, no transmission shudder, no engine leaks, no hidden disasters. That is the reality of a truck built on a platform Nissan barely touched for over a decade. The 4.0-liter V6 under the hood is the same workhorse found in the Pathfinder and Xterra, a simple design that skipped the CVT headaches plaguing Nissan cars and crossovers. Routine maintenance of oil, fluids, and brakes keeps these Frontiers running well past 250,000 miles. The repair bill for this visit was less than $200. The reason is straightforward. Fewer moving parts means less to go wrong. Nissan's refusal to chase every new trend meant no turbochargers, no complicated electronics, and no transmission experiments. That consistency is what lets these trucks hold their value and avoid the steep repair costs that hit flashier rivals. The depreciation curve on the Frontier has flattened out, making the later models from 2015 to 2019 quietly reliable buys. Ford's F-150 from 2011 to 2014 offers a different lesson in picking the right engine. The 5.0-liter Coyote 5.8, with forged internals and timing chains, shrugs off mileage that would leave other engines gasping. One 2013 F-150 showing 198,000 miles still ran perfectly, engine and transmission untouched. But not every F-150 tells the same story. The EcoBoost turbocharged V6 from the same years is notorious for carbon buildup and turbo failures, doubling the odds of a major repair. The Coyote 5.8, on the other hand, keeps annual repair costs around $524 and regularly clocks 300,000 miles or more. In the end, the difference between a truck that lasts and one that drains your wallet often comes down to choosing proven simplicity over untested upgrades. A 2016 Silverado rolled into the shop with 156,000 miles on the clock. The owner expected the usual story, expensive repairs, or a warning to trade up. Instead, the inspection confirmed what mechanics have seen for years. The 5.3-liter Ecotec 3 V8 and 6-speed automatic are built to last. No cylinder deactivation system to fail, no turbochargers to replace, just regular fluids and the occasional set of brake pads. Trucks from this generation routinely cross 250,000 or even 300,000 miles on the original drivetrain. Annual repair costs for these models average $487, well below the segment's $936 norm. With used prices running $12,000 to $18,000 less than newer Silverados, the numbers speak for themselves. Owners who stick to basic maintenance find their trucks aging gracefully, not falling apart. The simplicity of the design from before 2019 means fewer failure points and more miles between repairs. For buyers willing to look past the latest tech, durability comes standard. The argument started the second I told the customer to buy the Silverado on the spot. The sales manager leaned across the counter, voice low but sharp, insisting I was stuck in the past. People want the new technology, cylinder deactivation, more gears, better mileage. That is what sells now. He waved a glossy brochure and pointed out features like adaptive cruise and wireless updates. But none of that mattered when a truck with 156,000 miles still ran like new. No warning lights, no ticking lifters, no 8-speed transmission shudder. I pushed back, reminding him how many 2019 models came back with failed lifters or electrical gremlins. while this generation kept rolling with nothing but oil and brake changes. He fired back with talk of efficiency, resale, and the latest safety scores. I asked how much it cost to replace a failed actuator or to diagnose a phantom sensor code. Silence. In that moment, the difference was clear. One side betting on complexity, the other on proven simplicity. The tension hung in the air, every word echoing the stakes: your money, your time, your trust. Today, dependable trucks sit unsold, while buyers chase features that drive up cost, not longevity. As new models grow more complex and fragile, proven machines become a rare advantage. Reliability isn't nostalgia, it's a choice. The smartest money still bets on what lasts. What would you choose?